Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you how I dyed my hair in a unicorn style purple and blue color. I was originally going to just dye my hair aquamarine all over, but when I finished one side I actually loved the way it looked, so I decided to keep the purple. I'm using my Adore hair color as usual, and the purple is called Violet Gem, which I actually forgot to film. I'm really sorry, but I thought I hit the button to record it, but I actually didn't. I applied colors to both sides separately and I let it sit for about an hour before I washed it out using my Nioxin shampoo and conditioner. After applying the color, I went ahead and applied my Eden Body Works Jojoba Monoi Natural Deep Conditioner, and I let this sit on top of the color just to help soak in and moisturize my hair. My hair needed moisture, so I'm going to be styling it with my African Pride Moisture Miracle Curling Cream. I did a video on how much I love this product, and I'll leave the link to it below in the description box. Thanks so much for checking out my video, and make sure you stay tuned for the next one.